Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be showing you different solutions on how to fix the error in Roblox that says an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue. So first thing we have to put in mind is that this type of prompt or error can be caused by different problems, and that the key is that we have to check all the marks to see if we're not missing anything. Okay, so first thing what I want to do is basically just as with anything else, check on your internet connection, make sure it's secure, make sure it's working and that there's no problem or disconnection. If that's already secured, the second thing I want to do is basically go to your settings on Google Chrome and go to privacy and security, and under clear browsing data make sure that you have click all time or all history, and then make sure to have check all the marks and then clear data, just to make sure that we have cleared all the cache that can be interfering with your game. Third thing you want to check is that go to your extensions and then see if there's any extension on your computer that is purposely stopping your game from going, like different restrictions. And if that's already clear, go check your VPN. Here it should show up here if you have any VPN or restriction. You can also check your firewall on your computer. You can check your antivirus if there's anything that's stopping the game from going. So since my computer has no firewall, antivirus, or any VPN, I am sure that there's no any problem in the game. So that's basically it. Those are the different steps on how to make sure that your Roblox is going and you don't have this prompt present. Thank you very much for watching.